We're going to look at the conditional formatting feature of Excel, and we're on the Home tab, and over here in the Style section of the ribbon is Conditional Formatting. Now what that lets you do, it lets you format cells based on what's in the cells. So to give you an example, let's say we select the gender column. Let's go to Conditional Formatting and see we have all these different choices. We can highlight cells based on rules, based on if it's numbers, where they're at in the number range. You can get little data bars. You have to have numbers to get those. You color scales if you want to color code like standardized test scores, that would let you do that. Icons, and let's just make a new rule. And see here, these are the types of rules. Format all cells based on their values. Format only cells that contain. Now we've highlighted a column that contains only male and female. So let's just try this. We want the cell value to equal F. And we will highlight all the females. And then we have to set what we want it to do. We can choose any color. We could go for more colors, fill effects, gradients. You can get as fancy as you want. Let's just make the females all orange. And then say OK. And it highlights all the females. Another conditional formatting you can do. Let's do the highlight cell rules. Let's highlight duplicate values. Let's see if we have any. Yeah, we have 2 Williams anyway. See if it'll highlight them for us. And it does. And if we don't like that light red with dark red text, we can change it. You can make your own kind of formatting. Let's make them purple. With see if we can make white text. Yep, here's the color. Okay, so these are duplicate first names. We have 2 Williams and 2 Janes. Let's see what we could do here. Well, here I'm just experimenting, exploring. Okay, I think I see what it's doing. These are sorted from highest to lowest, and so it just colored them to match the range.